What's going on, y'all? Welcome back. It's fall time in Texas, and you know what that means. Chili seasoning. This is going to be a short and sweet one. Hope you enjoy. First things first, we got to make the seasoning for our chili. I use just a bunch of different household spices that you probably have in the cabinet yourself. I did this rather than buying store-bought stuff. I just think it's a little bit more fun. Plus, you get to take out what you don't like and put in some different things that you might not think about normally in chili seasoning. Next, we're going to cut up our vegetables. I just used 4 fresh garlic cloves, kind of cut them up real fine, as well as 1/2 of an onion. Then we're going to throw them in the skillet. So now that our onions and garlic have cooked down a little bit, we're going to add our meat. I'm using 2 pounds of ground beef as well as 1 pound of breakfast sausage. You can use any meat you really want to. Some people use venison. You could even use some ground brisket. We're just going to brown those up in the skillet. So I didn't really put any salt or pepper in the seasoning for the chili. So I'm just going to use some Meat Church Holy Cow, which is pretty much some SPG, and finish browning this meat. Now that our meat's browned, it's time to add in our chili seasoning. I like to spread it out evenly, then just mix it up throughout the meat. Now we're just going to transfer everything over to a Dutch oven. That way we can add all of our vegetables in. So after we have everything transferred over, this is the special part. We're going to take a 1/4 cup of TX whiskey and put it into the chili and let it simmer a little bit and cook down. It is going to taste phenomenal. Now it's time to add the vegetables. All I have here is 1 can of fire roasted diced tomatoes and then a can of tomato paste. We're gonna mix those up real good before we add anything else. And this might be the sacrilegious part for a lot of you. Yes, I'm adding a can of ranch style beans to our chili. My wife and I, we just prefer it that way. You could cook it without it. It's really up to you. But I added 1 can of that.